अच्छा मैं क्लास में सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब मेरे से ही मामला था साला सबका।
The actress in this movie made her debut with Oe Lucky Lucky Oe. She was praised for her debut. She was praised for her performance in Gangs of Wasipur and Ram Leela. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Richa Chakra. Okay, now that we have the cast here, now I'm going to ask Umang, how are you guys feeling? How does it feel being part of Umang 2014?
Hearing so much about the festival over the years. Great to be here. The enthusiasm can be seen right from the gate down when we enter. I hope you all are having fun. Are you guys having fun? Okay, so we are going to join in the fun today. I'll just ask Richa to speak.
Hi. Reminds me of my college. Wasn't so long back, but I mean, it was a while ago, but it feels like yesterday. It's so nice to be here in this room full of energy and fresh, happy, excited faces. I hope we have a fantastic actors round thing today, and I hope that we can join in some of the fun with you all. Okay?
So if I had to ask you, what goes into making, an actor, like every day he has to get up, what is the kind of rehearsals, or what makes the actor that he is that we see on TV or on movies?
Talking about the good actors or the bad ones?
We're talking about you.
Okay. He's talking about a very good actor. So, you just have to work very hard. Just the first thing. Just know your lines when you come on the sets. Remember them well, I think the acting will flow.
What makes a good actor? I think on me, I have no clue. I think what makes a good actor is somebody who can deliver with honesty and feels a responsibility towards the audience, which is spending 300, 400, I don't know how much money now to watch a movie. And really entertain them and make them forget about the problems of their lives for those 2 hours.
Thank you very much, and you can take your seats there. Thank you very much. The prizes of the Actor Hunt will be provided by Pearl Entertainment. They're going to act as talent managers for the podium finishers. Ladies and gentlemen, our first round, they've been given a video. They have to enact the same line or the same dialogue, but they have to change the emotion in that video, whatever was shown in the video. So we have our first participant, CC039 OTS.
जो हिंदुस्तान की दौलत को लूट ले, ये हमारा मुल्क है, ये हमारा मुल्क है, जिसके जिस्म पर हम एक भी जख्म नहीं देख सकते। क्या है ये शाही खजाना? हम भी तो जाने। सिक्का गिरने पर आवाज आती है, उठाते वक्त नहीं।
Thank you very much. Coming up next, we have CC025.
मार दिया तुमने इसको। तुम लोग सबको देश के लिए मारा ना। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में। करता नहीं कुछ दूसरा कुछ बातचीत। हम देखें जिसे निगाहें वो चुप, एकदम चुप तेरी महफिल में। वक्त आने पर बता दूंगा तुझे है आसमां। वक्त आने पर बता दूंगा तुझे ये आसमां। हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में। अब हमारे दिल में।
Please give him a huge round of applause for a fantastic performance. That was CC025.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी के सबसे खास 70 मिनट। आज मैं तुमसे ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि कैसे खेलना है।
थोड़ा लाउड
ऐसे खेलना कि सच्चे में कोई तुमसे नहीं छीनेगा। मोदी जी भी नहीं।
So tell us, how was it working on Tamanche?
It was great fun, difficult film to shoot, lots of running around, lots of travel, lots of action. But fun overall. It's not a film with a message and all, huh? So it's just a simple, slightly twisted love story. And it's meant to be fun.
So it's a love story of two very badass people. We're not yeah, but some of the presentations that I just saw, I think I'm in kindergarten. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. Just watch it and enjoy it.
So we've heard a lot of kick-ass dialogues in the trailer. Any one dialogue?
You can't use the word ass here in college.
So it's okay. They know me very well now. Anyways, for the past 3 days, it's cool. Yeah, we're cool, no? Anyways, just the dialogue from the film, because it seems like an ultra commercial this thing, with a lot of, what do you say, colorful dialogues.
Yeah, this film has some very cool written dialogues written by this gentleman called Shailesh Pratap Singh. So I don't know, out of the context, I don't know which of the dialogue would make sense, but there is a dialogue that my character, which goes by the name of Munna Misra, he says in the film, and which goes something like this, कि धनिया बो देंगे, दीवार पोत देंगे और लिख देंगे क्रांति, नाम है हमारा मुन्ना मनोहर मिश्रा.
मैम आपके ना डायलॉग डिलीवरी पे तो प्यार हो गया था गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर में आपकी आपसे भी एक बार
ऐसे वाला नहीं आई लव यू करते हैं तुमसे
Thank you very much. Let's have our first set of participants, and this is round 2 of the Actor Hunt. Not you, one by one. Everyone wants to come. Yes. Aye. Do we have a mic on that side? Give them a mic. He is CC040. Okay. Yeah, you ask him a question. Not general knowledge or anything.
Prime Minister of Czechoslovakia. Okay, this mic.
My fail हो गया था. Yes.
This country was a part of USSR
Yeah, hi.
until it
Why do you want to be an actor if you want to be one? I'm assuming you do because you're here.
For being an actor, first of all, you have to be yourself. And yes, it's a country like India. Each and every person has their own perspective, and we have to be what we are. So yes, among the industry and among myself, I see an actor. And yes, I have to work hard for my mother. And no one for else. And no one else in this world. This thing, I suppose, is not just for clap. But I would like to say that, yeah, seriously, being an actor just for my mother, nothing else.
ये सीख के आया था तुम कि ठीक है थैंक यू वेरी मच चलिए नेक्स्ट वी हैव CC013 OTS
Hello? Hi.
Okay, you're not supposed to ask names. What is it that you're pursuing? I mean, what kind of academic, which is the course that you're pursuing?
I'm doing chartered accountancy.
I believe you were an on-the-spot contestant,
Yes.
right? What made you decide last moment that you want to jump in and do this bit of acting?
Whenever I see the stage, it makes me feel alive. It makes me feel me. And when I saw this kind of energy going on, I said I have to do it. So that's what.
Good. You didn't know of this before? That there's an...
There was some technical glitch due to which I had to participate also.
Okay, so what's more fun for you? Pursuing chartered accountancy and giving your course exams or acting on stage?
Acting on stage, definitely.
Okay.
CC039
Hi. No, I'm just saying hi. Hi.
Hi, how are you? All the best for your movie.
Thank you. What is it that you're pursuing?
I'm pursuing MCOM plus company secretary.
Do you want to be an actor or do you want to be a company secretary? Or this is just a hobby or this
It's just a hobby. So I act as an hobby because I love acting because seeing different characters, enacting different characters. So it kind of gives me a relief. So when I'm stressed, I like acting in front of the mirror. So kind of motivate, entertains myself because making those funny faces and all of that thing.
How often
It's
are you
an hobby.
stressed?
Sorry.
How often are you stressed?
During exams, during my relation, like breakouts, bachelors, and all of these things.
So breakup में acting शुरू कर देते हैं।
हाँ मतलब kind of I act कैसा how to approach it.
Relationship में acting कर breakup होगा ही नहीं। breakup के बाद acting करता है। तो relationship के time में acting करता है। Anyway, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
CC111
Hi ma'am. Hi sir.
Sorry. One second. Hi.
Hi ma'am. Hi
Hi.
sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you free? No, that's not
Sort
my
of.
question. So why did you decide to do that particular kind of laughing improvisation of
Because I just felt like doing it.
CC065.
Okay. Why are you so popular?
Actually, everybody over here are my friends, and I know them, so I purposely tell them, "Come, please support me. I might do it wrong. I'll do it wrong. Don't do anything else."
You're the smart one.
He's a better politician than actor.
I don't know you anymore.
Because from the moment I've been observing, from the moment you came on stage, the loudest cheers were for you.
These are all my college friends. My best friends are sitting right there, so you know, it's all the love. They're just right there. Look at each other. Come on, let's get this done with.
What are you pursuing?
I'm in FIBMM, and I've been acting for the last 2 years. I was with the production company, and I've been doing stand-up comedy as well. But yeah, and I'm doing FIBMM right now. So
So when you're acting on stage or whatever medium you're pursuing in acting, and when you're doing stand-up comedy, what is that one biggest difference in both of those?
in stand-up comedy and acting, in stand-up, I basically do it to just make people laugh because that's one of the greatest things that I love doing is to just see people laugh, even if I'm doing the most ridiculous thing on the world. But when I'm acting, I try to push myself to see what else can I do, what else is there, because there's like so many things that I keep seeing. My biggest idol, Jim Carrey, whenever I've seen him, he keeps on doing something new. He has this, the way he changes his face, his whole personality for a character. I keep trying to work towards that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
CC034.
What about the color?
Sorry, we're having a hard time because you don't have names, you have only numbers. So, yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Lalbagh. You have been knowing Lalbagh, sir, I just from there.
Of course, Lalbagh is very famous.
आप आइए आपको दर्शन भी दे दूंगा वो तो ये भी है ना उनको मैं दूंगा ही दर्शन
दर्शन करवा दूँ।
हाँ दर्शन करवा दूंगा
थोड़ा दर्शन दे दूँ।
टाइम में दे दूंगा टाइम में
दर्शन करवा दूँ।
ये मैंने देखी है मगर मतलब केबल पे लगी थी तभी देखी है तो अभिषेक बच्चन की जी जो पहली मूवी थी तेरा जादू चल गया वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी जो सबको पसंद नहीं आई क्योंकि उनका पहला मूवी था और उनका काम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था उन्होंने तो उनकी पहली मूवी थी रेफ्यूजी और उसके तेरा जादू चल गया वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट उनकी
दूसरी पिक्चर में।
हाँ दूसरी पिक्चर तेरा जादू हाँ गुरु देखी है मैंने
आपने कोई स्टेज किया है?
Yes, I am doing stage. I am doing Marathi stage, and I have done Marathi movies also. I have done Hindi movies also.
Okay.
Recently, I have done one Marathi movie Priyatama, and I have recently I have done one movie with Master Ji Ganesh Acharya Ji, Worship Pro.
बहुत मजा आता अगर आप ये पीस मराठी में करते।
मराठी में
हाँ, क्यों नहीं?
नहीं मगर उन्होंने कहा था वही डायलॉग चाहिए थे और इम्प्रोवाइज थोड़ा था तो वो कंफ्यूजन था मेरा डेटा भी उड़ गया
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच
NCP50.
Go Bruno Mars. अभी लाइट जल रही है आपल्याला तेच पाहिजे
You're fighting. You ask you a question. You're so lucky. What are you pursuing?
Right now I'm pursuing with like music. In study-wise, I'm doing FIBMM.
Okay.
Apart from that, I'm like doing my music, acting, and singing. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding. I
pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, and I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. I'll be singing a Hindi classical.
Sing anything, then I'll speak to you.
लपक झपक तुम्हारे बदलवा, लपक झपक तुम्हारे बदलवा, सर की खेती सूख रही है, सर की खेती सूख रही है, गरज गरज तुम्हारे बदलवा, लपक झपक तुम्हारे बदलवा, लपक झपक तुम्हारे बदलवा. Sorry?
What was the
Lapak Japak from a movie known as Boot Polish. It was released like it's sung by Manna De.
Okay. So, okay. Good.
Thank you.
You're a good singer.
Thank you.
In my opinion, take it in the right perspective.
Yes.
I'm not saying you're not a good actor.
Yeah.
You've seen some good work from you, but you're a far better singer.
Thank you so
You
much.
should pursue it.
Thank you so much.
Pursue it.
Thank you for laughing. Yeah. Performing arts, yeah, that's another one. Thank you so much.
So, we have two winners. It was a tough competition because it was very. Okay, so you want to read out the names, the numbers. Richard, then I'm going to ask them their names. I'm very curious to know.
It's CC040. That's our first runner-up. आपका नाम? Siddesh Shetty. Let's have a round of applause. And there's this guy, NCP50.
ये लड़का मुझे लगता है गाने पे निकल गया. But no, I don't think it was unfair acting. I want to tell all of you, these college festivals are a lot of fun. I've been a part of it when I was pursuing my education. I could tell you this, and I hope I say it's taken in the right perspective. All my school and college life, I was in a boarding school. I wanted to do theatre there. I could not qualify for a single audition. I don't know, it was something on my face that they never liked. Then I started to take part in college festivals, just like these competition. I always came last. And it was terrible for me because I always wanted to be an actor. तो मुझे लगता था जब यहीं पे नहीं हो रहा है तो आगे कौन फिल्म देगा? पर आगे चल के पिक्चरें मिल गई मुझे. So they should be, you should have the spirit of competition, you should have the sense of competition, but just take it as a college festival outing, which is not the end of life. I mean, you are all very young, and the winners here should not take it as if ki Filmfare की trophy मिल गई आज. So there's a long way to go. According to me, all of you that have taken part, some on the spot ones who have just come on the spot, we need to give them a round of applause. It's the spirit. It's the spirit that you come with and you say, no, we'll just jump in and do something. So have fun. Take it as fun. Make a lot of new friends. But if you want to be actors, if you want to pursue the performing arts like Richard said, take it seriously. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of hard, serious hard work. take it seriously, pursue it with all your heart, passion, and do it. Thank you.
I was going to say the opposite thing. I was going to say take it very seriously. Because I am from Delhi, I didn't study in Bombay at all. But I got my first break for a theatre production from one of these contests. Somebody saw me and said, we'd like to audition that role. Then I got a small part in a play. From that small part, I got a bigger play. From that play, I got a movie. So you never know what happens. You never know what gives you what opportunity. That is up to somebody up there. And you can create your own life and destiny. So I'm saying that if you come here and you're participating, it's really fun for you to just jump in and do your stuff. But for next year, whoever's sitting there and wishing that agle saal main karunga, work hard and woo us and sweep the judges off your feet and keep working hard.
How cool is that? You got two different perspectives from the two artists who have come here, which is good. I mean, whatever works for, the message in that is whatever works for you. But do it with passion. And suppose if you don't, what I meant was if you don't win on a college platform, it's okay. It's really cool. I mean, there's a life ahead. And some of them are not so popular in college, and some of us are. But when you go out in the real big bad world, we have to start all over again. So take that as the vision for the future and just work hard and enjoy. These are the best years, I'm telling you. They're never going to come back. I mean, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही को थोड़ा stress है, वरना यार you haven't seen the stress that you're going to face in the future. This is the best time of your life. I mean, I can never forget the college years, the years that I was pursuing my MBA. They were the best years of my life, and I crave them, and I know that they're never going to come back. So just have a blast.
We're very grateful that you guys came here and graced this occasion, and this would not be the same if it wasn't without you. This is a small token of our gratitude from Umang 2014, and I want the audience to make a lot of noise for the cast of Tamanche. Thank you very much. Thank you.
जो देना था स्टेज पे तब से हम बोल ही रहे थे। नहीं, आज ये उनका दिन था और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा जिस इंथुजियाज़म से और जिस एनर्जी से, और जो मैं इस जनरेशन की एक कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहा हूँ, शायद हम लोग में नहीं था। हम लोग जब करते थे तो आधा टाइम तो शर्म में ही मर जाते थे, और हम लोग कोई हमारे लिए तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से आता भी नहीं था, और अच्छा ही था। कोई आते तो बोलती नहीं हमारी खुलती। तो बट आई एम सीइंग देम, दे ऑल बंच ऑफ सच एंथुजियास्टिक कॉन्फिडेंट पीपल। इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन कमिंग हियर।
तो कह सकते हैं कि अभी से आप दोनों कंपटीशन फील कर रहे हैं कि आगे चल के इतने सारे कंपटीशन को आपको फेस करना है?
मैं कंपटीशन से ज़्यादा खुशी का वो एहसास कर रहा हूँ कि हमारे देश में कितना कॉन्फिडेंट पीढ़ी है ये। एंड अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंट होंगे और अगर उनमें ये जुनून होगा तो कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लेंगे। और ऐसा कंपटीशन तो अच्छा होता है कि हाँ।
तो जी बात करते हैं, इसके जो डायलॉग है सर, ट्रेलर देखे गए हैं सर, अब काफ़ी लोग याद की जाएगी पिक्चर।
हाँ, हम भी यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं। हाँ,
लर्न किया उसके लिए आपने कुछ सीखा?
रिचा भाई बताइए।
भाषा है,
हाँ,
आप बेबाक है बिल्कुल। आई लव यू जो टोन है बोलने का, बिल्कुल बेबाक लड़की का है। मतलब क्या कहा जा सकता है कि आई लव यू तो पहले सीधे से कह दिया जाता था आई लव यू, लेकिन एक नया अंदाज आप लोग लेके आ गए।
इसमें तो रिचा चड्ढा की दाद देनी चाहिए कि उन्होंने एक नए अंदाज में आई लव यू बोला, जो मतलब हम लाखों करोड़ों बार सुन चुके हैं, फिर भी आपको नया लग रहा है, तो कमाल ही हो गया।
अंदाज है ना, वो तो अलग ही
हाँ, तो
पर्दे पर तो नए तरीके से देख रहे हैं।
नहीं, अब नयापन तो कुछ है। अब फिल्म के बारे में आपको रिचा बताएंगी कुछ। मैं हाँ, आइए बताइए।
फिल्म का नाम तमंचे, जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं, तमंचे उत्तर भारत की लोकल हैंडमेड गन होती है, जो कई बार ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं होती, कई बार अपने हाथ में ही चल जाती है। उसी तरह की वॉलेटाइल सी लव स्टोरी है। दो लोग हैं जो कानून से भाग रहे हैं, और भागते भागते वो एक दूसरे के साथ भागने लगते हैं और उन्हें प्यार हो जाता है। फिर फिल्म में एक विलन भी है। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी दर्शकों के लिए कि बहुत टाइम बाद एक बहुत पल्पी रोमांटिक फिल्म आई है, जैसे पहले होती थी, एक हीरो, एक हीरोइन, एक विलन, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि लोगों को पसंद आएगी।
तो लेकिन यहाँ पे आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, जब एक फिल्म आती है तो कंट्रोवर्सी भी साथ में जुड़ जाती है। खबरें तो ऐसी भी आ रही हैं कि
आज हम कॉलेज के दिन यार स्टूडेंट्स के सामने कंट्रोवर्सी की कोई बात नहीं करेंगे। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Now Sobir.